Benefits of using garlic as a man. That is what I want to disclose in this video. If you are a man, please come and watch this video, or make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know the benefits you are going to derive from consuming garlic as a man, which is very important. If you are a man watching this video, you are very lucky. If you are a woman, recommend this video to your hubby. Your husband will be happy to know the benefits why he should consume garlic. But before I proceed, I want to say that you are welcome. My name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if today is your first time, join us by subscribing. Turn on the bell. Anytime I upload a new video, you will get notification of my new upload so that you will know the next thing that will help you as a man. Now, garlic is very important, a natural ingredient God gave us for our own health benefits. So make sure that you consume garlic. The number one benefit you are going to derive from this is that garlic will help you to improve your blood flow as a man. And once you have a good blood flow, you will perform well as a man. You will have a good erection. You will perform well. Any blood that gathered or stored in a particular place will be dissolved so that things will be flowing. Your veins and arteries will be functional. That is why you need to consume garlic. It also stimulates immune system and make your immune system to work and help you to fight diseases and germs. If you consume garlic, it has no dosage. You can use it in any way you can. You can use it to prepare a juice. You can use it to cook. You can use it in many ways. So anyhow or any way you want to use garlic, make sure that you consume garlic as a man, because it will help you to stimulate or improve your immunity. And once you have a good immunity, it will help you to perform well and last longer as a man. The third benefit you are going to derive from consuming garlic is that with garlic, you can never suffer from some diseases. Garlic fights bacteria. Garlic fights some diseases, fungal diseases inside your body system. Anything that makes you not to perform well as a man, as far as if it's a bacteria, fungal disease, or anything that will make you not to perform well, once you consume garlic, garlic will help to destroy it and improve your health or your body system. So make sure that you consume garlic as a man to improve your body. And this is what I want to share in this video. Enjoy garlic as a man. You will never regret it. So thank you for watching. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. Comment on this video. Let's know what you think. See you in my next upload. Bye.